A 7.9 magnitude earthquake striking off the Japan's northeastern coast, and we're getting details on the casualties reported and the kind of damage done. Sketchy details coming in at the moment, but the latest is that a tsunami alert has also been issued, and along with the top-level evacuation alerts were issued for the entire Japanese coast. Our correspondent Akash Soni joins us for more on that. Akash, what are the details emerging at the moment as far as the damage is concerned, and about the casualties and about the injuries?
Right, Sneha, what we know at this point of time is that initially it was said that this is an earthquake of the magnitude of 7.9, but now the latest information coming in from the US is that this was actually an 8.8 magnitude quake. So that makes it a big quake. It has struck around 250 miles, that is about 400 kilometers from Tokyo. And its depth is not much, it's just 20 miles. And TV pictures, we are getting the latest pictures right now. They're showing a wave crashing into the Pacific coast. And in fact, you know that across Japan, there are many offices in that area. And there are CCTV cameras there. So we're also getting footage from there. So the quake, the latest information breaking in just now is that this quake is not small, not even 7.9, it's bigger than that now. It's 8.8 on the Richter scale. That makes it a very powerful earthquake. And in fact, Japan has issued its most serious tsunami warning. The waves already are hitting as high as 6 meters, which is at least 20 feet. And they could strike the coast near the Miyagi prefecture in Japan at this point of time. The surging waters have in fact carried cars and ships as it has surged through coastal towns in Japan. So this is not something small. The tsunami warning already has been issued, and it is again the strongest warning on tsunami that Japan issues at this point of time. You can see how on the visuals right now, how at this point of time the houses are collapsing. You can see it on the right hand of your screen. Look at that. The houses collapsing due to this powerful earthquake, 8.8 on the Richter scale, and there are cars going through. At this point of time, the sea has entered and it has taken away many houses, cars, and these are visuals which are just coming in from Japan at this point of time.